gut says we focus from here to here. So we kind of like part our focus right here. There will be no motion blur. There'll be zero motion blur.
We're going to be in line with it.
Yeah. So we can expose as much as we want.
We set the camera to 15,000 frames per second, and after one last optical alignment, we were ready for the shot.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, fire. 2, 1, fire.
We triggered on everything.
All right.
Starting the data. Wow.
George.
Dude.
Holy moly.
Dude, that is wild.
That's when the math works right there.